Hi, this is Lan Ewan from Success Accounting Group. Today I'm going to show you a video of how I saved John, a business owner that earned $300,000 or more in profit, $50,000. If you're a business owner out there and want to learn that, well, this video is for you. So let me show you how we do this. John came to me last year, 12 months ago only, and he started as a sole trader. He actually paid $114,000 in tax. That's a massive hit to the hip pocket for his family. In fact, he came to me asking for my advice of how he could reduce that and save, some money for his deposit for the next investment. So what we did was we looked at his structure first. He was currently a sole trader, and I suggested let's move to a discretionary trust where he could disperse his profits amongst his beneficiaries. So today I'm going to show an example of how you potentially can do that too. So we move his business to a family trust, and with the family trust, in his trust he had his wife Beth and his daughter Martha and himself, of course. And also then we encourage him to distribute to super, which is at his age, under 50, he can put $25,000 each for him and his wife. And finally, we gave some to the bucket company, which is capped at 30%. So in the next minute, I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so right now we've got beneficiary 1, which is John. Okay, this is 80K, and his wife Beth, 80K. And he had a daughter that was studying uni and did not earn any income at the moment. So we gave her 80K. Remember, John earned in 2018 300K. That's the forecasted. Now, we did say to him that, 25,000 each person for the super. So that's times 2, which equals to 50 grand. The beauty of super, putting in your super, is the tax rate is capped at 15% instead of 47% in your own names. The bucket company is capped at 30%. Okay, so how much do we have left? So we have 80,000 plus 80 is 240, plus 50 is 290. We have left out of the 300, 10K. I've done the maths on this, and the beautiful thing is, yes, that equals a total of 300,000 dispersed, as you can see, to his beneficiaries, his bucket company, and then to his super. The total tax on this we worked out to be $63,348, not an extra dollar. Now, the total massive tax saved, which is extra money for his family and his business, is actually almost $50,562, which is almost half of what he was paying tax last year. What do you think you can do with that money for your family? I know that John and Beth are extremely happy, and they're putting that into their business and their next investment. But if you're not doing that today with your business, then I think it's time that you do a business health check and make a chance to have your tax plan reviewed. What I'm doing, and I'm throwing this out to business owners, that if I cannot save you at least $10,000 in that hour session, then I will give you $1,000. I think that's a really good guarantee, but obviously for a limited time, because we only have a couple of weeks before 30 June. So if you're one of the lucky few, make sure you click on the link and book your session in. Thank you, and I'll speak to you soon.